students. Today this is the revision of chapter 3 from Hornbill, Discovering Tut. Complete name is Tutankhamun. So this Discovering Tut, the chapter was written by A.R. Williams. Tutankhamun died more than 3,300 years ago. He was the last teen-aged ruler of a powerful family that had ruled Egyptian empire for centuries. So Pharaoh is the Egyptian king. Yeah. Tut means Tutankhamun, the 11th Pharaoh, king of Egypt of the 18th dynasty means Vansh of ancient Egypt, is famous, due to the discovery of his tomb by the British archaeologist Howard Carter in 1922. Tutankhamun means Tut was 18, means young age, means 19 last. Aged heir means Uttaradhikari, HEIR, to the royal throne of Egypt, but he died young unexpectedly. His father or grandfather, Amenhotep III, was a powerful pharaoh. pharaoh जो इजिप्ट में मीन्स मिस्र में किंग को कहा जाता है, who ruled for almost 40 years. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him, but he shocked the country that he shocked the country by attacking Amun, a major god, smashing his images and closing all his temples. Okay, so Tut took over the reign of Egypt. Reign means Sashan. However, Tut ruled for 9 years and died then suddenly. In the year 1920, an archaeologist, Howard Carter, discovered this tomb after 330 years of Tut's, that is death. Okay, Tut's की burial, that is burial कहते हैं when the dead body is buried under the ground. Burial. The Egyptians never tried to go, never touched tomb because they feared that going near Tut's tomb was that is disaster. वो इसलिए नहीं जाते थे कहीं उनका साथ काफ़ी बुरा ना हो जाए. It could invite the pharaoh curse. Carter was not scared with fear. He decided to take Tut's body out of the tomb. Carter and his team broke the 3 gold coffins one after the other. Finally, they broke the innermost coffin. 3 coffins were there. Okay, सबसे आखिरी वाली coffin को तोड़ा गया. He saw the dried, hard body of Tut. So it was not easy to take Tut's body out of coffin. He then decided to take Tut's body out of the coffin, but soon realized that the body had got hardened with the resins. Resins एक प्रकार का मटेरियल होता है जिससे वो बॉडी को फिक्स किया जाता है, चिपकाया जाता है, पेस्ट किया जाता है. So separating Tut's body from the coffin was impossible, but Carter could not think of leaving his body there. Carter reason was that the valuable Carter feared that the thieves could destroy the mummy for stealing the valuable wealth. That is, these are the artifacts of pure gold made, यानी जो उसके होल बॉडी कवर्ड की गई थी और उसके जितने भी आर्टिफैक्ट्स थे, मीन्स ऑर्नामेंट्स थे, वो सब प्योर गोल्ड के थे, राइट, इनसाइड. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू कट टट्स बॉडी इनटू पीसेस यूजिंग चेशल. चेशल कहते हैं छेनी, जो कारीगरों के पास होती है निकालने के लिए. नाउ to be continued in the next. After some years, Jahid Abbas, the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council by Antiques, performed an X-ray and found out that one of Tut's bone was missing from his body. So, how did it begin? Happen that no one knew. कैसे ये घटित हुआ कोई नहीं जानता था. Today CT scan means computed tomography takes hundreds of that X-rays took 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section, that is, and created a three-dimensional image of Tut's body. Okay. So Tut's body means mummy was put into a CT scanner on 5th January 2005 to answer two questions which remained means incomplete or not given, unknown. How did he die? कैसे वो मरा? And how old was he at the time of death? मृत्यु के समय उसकी उम्र क्या थी? वो questions अभी भी solve नहीं हुए. King Tut was one of the first mummies to be scanned in death or in life. The process of Tut's CT scan took less than 3 hours in the processing. The pharaoh was taken back into the tomb, in the tomb again into rest. The CT scan removed all doubts. Nothing had gone seriously wrong. Tut is resting in peace in his tomb once again in the valley of the departed kings of Egypt. The modern world has turned impossibilities to possibilities. Now, technology has not been able to give us a definite answer for Tut's death. Two still questions remained unsolved. The Egyptians knew it as the soul of Orisis, the god of afterlife. It watched over the body dead king. Thank you.